I'm Dr. Ramakrishnan. I'm the Director of Critical Care Services at Apollo Hospitals in Chennai. There are a lot of people who wonder what critical care is. Although they might have seen ICUs or intensive care unit, they always wonder what does a critical care specialist or an intensivist does, and wonder if we are the same as emergency medicine specialists. There is a significant difference between the emergency room and the intensive care unit. In the emergency room, they give the immediate care or the initial care for any patient who comes with an emergency into a hospital. And subsequent to initial evaluation in the emergency room, the patient may be disposed in different ways. One, they may get admitted to the hospital in a hospital ward. They may be sick enough that they come into an intensive care unit, or they may sometimes be evaluated, observed in the emergency room for some time and be discharged home subsequently. Now, once they come into the ICU or intensive care unit, you would find that different hospitals use different names for this. Like even in our own hospital, we have a cardiothoracic intensive care unit. We have what is called a multidisciplinary critical care unit. We have a coronary care unit. We have something called a high dependency unit, or what we call step down unit. So there are different names that are referred to, and all this refers to focused care. For example, if it is a patient who is undergoing a heart surgery, they may be managed in a cardiothoracic ICU. If a patient comes with a heart attack, they may be managed in a coronary care unit. But if they come with a problem like, let's say, a trauma, or let's say they come with an infection like a pneumonia that requires them to be on a ventilator, or if they come with what we call sepsis, a severe infection that has spread to the bloodstream, or if they come with an overdose or a poisoning or a snake bite, all of these patients may have to be managed or closely monitored in a critical care unit, and they are usually done in a multidisciplinary critical care unit. I want to emphasize that we are very proud of the units, not just because of the world-class infrastructure that we have, but primarily because of the people that we have. And multidisciplinary critical care unit is something that can be delivered world-class only when we have competent people managing it. And we are very proud that as a unit we have doctors who are specially trained in critical care. So we are all critical care specialists, also known as intensivists, and in addition we have nurses dedicated to critical care, so they are also trained in intensive care, and we are supported by several other staff, including respiratory therapists, physiotherapists who have to assist, clinical pharmacologists, dietitians. So it is truly what we call a multidisciplinary care, and we are very proud at Apollo that we have this kind of a world-class critical care service. Again, not just from an infrastructure standpoint, which you could find that it's on par with the rest of the world, but also very proud of the entire team that serves the public.